literally here. Hey everyone, we have made it to Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur.
And we are standing in front of the Petronas Twin Towers.
What? How cool is that? We're going to enjoy the view from down here. And yeah, so this is the start of our Malaysia tour. I haven't planned it very well, so we may be here for either 3 weeks or a month instead of 2 weeks. So we'll do a little bit more planning, but it's quite nice. It's all going to be a bit of a surprise for us and for you. And yeah, so the next couple of days we'll be exploring, well, around here.
So we've come across this little park. I think the mall is called...
No idea. Petronas or something?
No, it's not.
Petronas,
so we were just looking for some
Petronas.
juice, which are really good, by the way. And then, yeah.
And they're just
pretty cool.
Super old, cool trees.
Ouch!
Oh, you okay?
Getting bit by the-
Are you okay?
Okay, this is super cool. We're on our way to the Eco Forest, which is like an in-city sort of rainforest, which is really cool. But seeing this now, it's like, what's that going to be like?
Yeah, very exciting.
Incredible. It looks really good.
So, first impressions of Malaysia. Oh, first impressions of Malaysia?
Very, very good. It's a lot colder. It feels a lot colder than the Philippines.
Even though it's still 30 degrees.
Yeah, it's very pleasant.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it just looks so green.
We got here by train and it was free because all KL speedy trains, rapid
KL. Yeah.
Rapid KL is free for the next 3 weeks.
Which is really good.
So that was amazing. So transport, there we go. Transport is much easier, which definitely adds to the experience, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've seen the Petronas Towers, off to KL Tower.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go to the Rainforest in the city. Pretty cool.
So we have just arrived at the Eco Park. Ta-da! Something interesting and a little bit worrying is this. Cool.
We're a little bit lost. But it's beautiful. So for a while we got a little lost. We did a loop of the canopy walk, and now we find the rest of the rainforest is this way, and it's very loud with the cicadas. We have 6 eyes here.
I've got my glasses on so I can see better.
And we're trying to spot one, although I have no idea what they look like, so. I did not do too much research on this, so we should have probably worn trainers instead of flip-flops, but freeing because it's very hot, even though we're in the shade. So we've just done the bamboo walk, and as we were walking through it, I saw a mosquito on Nicole's arm, so I slapped it. And then we looked down at our legs.
There's like about 3 or 4 at one time on my one leg.
Just eating away.
Like...
And now we're mega itchy.
Yeah, great.
But it was amazing. It was really crazy that we're still in Kuala Lumpur.
This is in the middle of the city.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Like, you just, every now and again you get glimpses of the towers.
Yeah.
It's incredible. I guess it's a bit like Central Park, right? But smaller, but tropical. Recommend?
Absolutely.
Just bring insect repellent.
Yeah.
Because
Oh,
itchy.
so
Ooh. Ouchie. Ouch. A rickety bridge with a scared and itchy Nikki.
This is actually...
You're okay?
So the canopy walk was really sturdy and this is...
Yeah, I feel like no one's been here for years.
Yeah, you're the first.
Human history. So we've just got to the end and it's locked.
There's like something like...
Nicole can hear a goat and she's terrified. Yeah, we got to the end of this bridge, which is very rickety. There's a couple planks missing, steps missing, supports missing, and then the gate is padlocked shut. So I think...
Is there even like CCTV? Like, you know,
no.
If we ever like, you know...
Well, we're okay, but I think we're gonna have to go through the bloody bamboo forest again. So, eaten alive 5 times. So, to end our day, we are about to go and see Chinatown.
Yeah, really exciting.
Yeah.
We've got to get some trousers. I know that sounds really weird, but we've got to get some trousers because we've got shorts and stuff, and we can't really go into the temples.
Yeah.
With clothing that doesn't go past our knees. So we're gonna try and get some of those. Bye.